What's going on, guys? It's DragsterTV here, back at it again. And today, guys, in front of us here today, we do have the Pioneer MVH-S622BS iPhone and Android capable Bluetooth stereo. It's also Sirius XM ready. And today, guys, we're going to be going ahead and doing a full unboxing and review of it, going through everything that it does support and all the little cool features of it and whatnot, and all details that you guys need to know about this thing. Then in a later video, when the wiring harness and everything for my truck comes in, I will show an installation video on installing this in my 2000 Ford Excursion. So this is the front of the box here. It comes with all the little details and it tells you everything, for the most part, they need to know about it. And then there's some more pictures of it, stuff like that. And then on the bottom of the box here, it does show off that you can use Pioneer Smart Sync with it. And then you can download it using that QR code, or just searching it in the App Store or the Google Play Store. Here is the other side of it, is Pandora and Spotify capable. Comes with a little Bluetooth microphone that'll plug right into the back of the stereo. Makes hands-free calling and stuff like that a little bit easier. These are all the files it does support for when you do plug in a little USB drive into the USB slot on the stereo here. And it's pretty much plastered all over the box. This stereo does not support CDs. It will not play them. Alrighty, guys. And with our Pioneer MVH-S622BS, Pioneer's had many stereos before this one. You know, they're all pretty similar in multiple different ways. Let's find that. Here's the top of the box. However, with this one, it's a little bit different because you're going to have this button on the front, and it's pretty unique. So when you are using Pioneer Smart Sync on your iOS or Android device, you can actually hit this button on your stereo, and it'll automatically take you to whatever navigation app you do have default set on your phone. It could be Google Maps or Apple Maps. Another cool feature about this stereo is that it does come steering wheel control ready, and it does support USB quick charge. You can customize everything on the stereo itself. You don't have to link it to your phone to customize and set everything you want to. You can select what color just in the settings by hitting that little menu button. That's what happens when you hit it, brings up the menu. And both these things, it does show off that it does support Bluetooth and hands-free calling and music streaming. Here's the other side of the box. And finally, here's the back of the box. I probably should have started on this side just to show you guys that this is the top of the box. But pretty much this is how you guys are going to go ahead and get into it. So let's hop straight into the unboxing. So we're going to go ahead and pull out this little tab here and pull up, I'm guessing. Yep, just like that. And here we go. Alright. So on top here, you'll find your external, I almost said USB microphone, but no, it's not USB. It plugs right into the back. It is a little Bluetooth microphone to make the hands-free calling and stuff like that. Just an overall better experience. Here's some screws for when you do get the specific dash kit for whatever vehicle you do have, so that it will clip right into place. And then pretty much the dash kit, using these screws, will screw right into the side of the stereo itself. And then here is the little wiring harness. This will plug right into the back of the stereo. And to wire it up yourself, you're going to go ahead and purchase yourself for whatever vehicle you have. You're going to go ahead and look up the wiring harness adapter for this, so that you just take some electrical tape, or you can solder them, do whatever, right? Crimp the wires in order to get them to connect and work. And my wiring harness for my 2000 Ford Excursion is going to be on the way here soon. I just thought, since I do have this here today, I would do the unboxing video first and then the full installation video. Anyways, in that video, I will show how to wire up this to the specific wiring harness for your truck or car, as well as how to install the dash kit, rather than me just explaining it as I just did a minute ago. Next here, in the top of the box, you're going to have this little pamphlet of paper here. Not too sure what it is, but it's here, so you can read it. Alright, it's not the instruction manual or anything. I believe this might be. Yep, I do believe that is the instruction manual. At least it's something for it. And then if we go and lift off this cardboard here, we'll be greeted with our stereo. So let's go and take this out. The stereo itself is very light. Go and get a bad grip on that. And boom, now it's out of the box. And set that down here. get the box out of the way. And let's go ahead and take this off here. I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys up. So here's our stereo. I just set you guys up on top of my PC. That's the most convenient thing that I could put you guys up on. Anyways, guys, here is our stereo. I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys off of the top of the PC. Let's go ahead and set this right here so we can take a better look at it. And here is our stereo. Here's the dial, really smooth and nice. Clicks all really good on it. Here's your sliding USB for a quick charge, and also works as an Aux plug-in. And this also does come with an Aux plug-in as well. And there's your little screen there. It's not a touchscreen, doesn't support Apple CarPlay or Android Audio or whatever it's called. Anyways, guys, as I was talking about, here are where you can screw in the screws for your specific dash kit so that it'll clip right into place and fit snug in whatever car you are installing the stereo in. Flipping around the stereo here, you guys will find multiple different things. One of them being first here, where you can plug in your antenna to your vehicle. Next is the Sirius XM plug-in. And then here is our wiring harness. That is where that will plug in right there. I'm going to put that aside. And then you're going to have multiple RCA plugins. And what else is there? And then there's also a plug-in for your external microphone here. Alrighty, guys, so that is where that will plug in. And that is that. So that is the unboxing and review of the stereo. That's everything that does come in the box here. Alright, going over it once again, here's your screws. Here is your plug-in. We're not on the back anymore, we're on the front. But anyways, this is where they'll plug into the back. And for this, here's your external microphone. That's everything that does come in the box, including the stereo here. So one of these days, as soon as the adapter for this does come in, I will show you guys how to wire it up. And then once my dash kit comes in as well, which they should be coming in on the same day, I'll show you guys how to screw in your dash kit, at least for my 2004 Excursion, that is, and then get it all set up and ready to go. And with that, guys, that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I don't really like keeping that on my knees there, so I'm gonna go ahead and set it somewhere just a little bit safer. And anyways, guys, that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did find it helpful or enjoy it in any way, shape, or form, please do make sure to drop that like and possibly subscribe if you guys are interested in any more of my new daily content here on the channel, guys. Anyways, with that, that is pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to amazing rest, guys, day or night. Leave a like if you guys did enjoy today's video. And with that, guys, I'll catch you guys very, very soon in the next one.